Not enough time for yourself, not enough time to get things done, not enough sleep, and not enough energy. Am I right? By the end of this video, I'm going to show you 11 life hacks for busy moms that'll help you get more time for yourself, more time to get things done, and on time, better sleep, and better energy. I use these mom hacks myself, and I'm sharing these with you to help you get a better, healthier, and happier life. With that being said, let's get started. Number 1 is to order your groceries online or have them delivered. This is an absolute lifesaver for me. This saves you time, it saves you money, and it saves you from adding unnecessary junk food to the cart. Now you can still add a little bit of fun food, but at least it's planned instead of feeling super guilty after buying all this stuff and then that's all you're eating and you're making your energy worse, your health worse, and so much more. What I like with the store that I order from is you can easily add your items to the cart during the week. So it's kind of like a running list, and then you can just process it as you go and hit the buy button, and then you just go pick up your groceries. If you have not tried it, try it. It is awesome. I go and pick up my groceries. It literally is like maximum 10 minutes. They come out, they load it up, and we're good to go. I'm smiling the whole time. And that time that you could be saving, you could be doing other things. Highly recommend that. Try it at least once and then let me know what you think below. Number 2, which leads from number 1, with the time that you saved from ordering your groceries online, you can come home and meal prep the very same day. So you know exactly what you've bought and you can start your meal prepping. This also helps you be healthy because now you're prepping the food for the week so that you have things readily available. So for the days that you feel super tired, you're not running for junky food or ordering in or getting takeout, that kind of thing. Now, another tip is to use gadgets in your favor. So use the crock pot. That thing is a lifesaver as well. If you have not crock potted, you gotta try it. Also the Instant Pot. And you also use a rice cooker. So as these things are all going, you are chopping your vegetables. You can do it and you can also make little snack bags and put them in the fridge. The other thing is get your household to help out. I know we are moms, we are superheroes, we deserve a cape and a crown. But if you need some help, ask for help and delegate it. Do you have a meal prep hack? Let me know in the comments below. Number 3 is drink your breakfast. Now, I'm not talking about coffee. Get up in the morning, have a squeeze of lemon into your water, chug that down. You could do that as soon as you wake up, and then also about a half an hour later, drink a shake or smoothie. Smoothies can be taken anywhere. You can also, from that prep day, grab a Ziploc bag or a container, chuck a bunch of fruit that you would normally put in a smoothie or that you're going to put in the smoothie and stick it in the freezer and have it all portioned out so that you just chuck it in, add some almond milk or protein powder, whatever you want to, blend it up and down the hatch. That way there's no excuse. You gotta drink that in the morning. You gotta get those nutrients and then ditch that coffee. The nutrients in the smoothie is gonna give you some energy. The lemon water is gonna give you energy. It's gonna prep your digestive system. It's gonna make you feel a whole lot better. And it takes like 2 minutes to take your breakfast. Number 4 is do not go to bed later than 10:30. This is something that I adhere to as much as possible. Many moms are already burned out, they're already exhausted, some even may suffer from something called adrenal fatigue, and that is no fun and no way to live. So get your butt to bed by 10:30. You may notice if you go past that 10:30 mark, all of a sudden you're getting that second wind and you could be up all night. Now, I know if you have little babies, you're most likely probably up all night. But if you can get your butt to bed earlier, you are gonna be so much better in the morning, which means better eating habits, better energy, and more motivation. Number 5 is meal plan for the week. That'll set you up with that grocery shopping online and also your meal prep. This saves you time, it saves you money, and saves you from that last minute ordering of the junk food. I use a little small whiteboard and plan my meals each week. And a little tip is while you're making that meal plan, double check your fridge, your pantry, and your cupboards and see what you already have, and then create your meal plan around that and then whatever else you'd like to do for that week. Number 6 is get up earlier than your kids. I know, before you start cursing me, this is why. It's not to clean, it's not to do anything else, it's for you. This is a sanity saver, and we all could use a little more sanity, right? An hour earlier would be awesome, but to start, if you even just get that extra 15 minutes or extra 30 minutes, you could always dial it back to that hour when you start to get a little bit more used to it. You don't have to be perfect and go an hour right away, but in this time, you could have a shower in peace, you can have coffee or your smoothie, like I said. You can read a book, you could do something for you so you can sneak in that extra time for yourself. Once you start doing this, you will notice this is pure bliss. You get a little peace and quiet in a very hectic day. Number 7 is to keep a snack in your purse and your vehicle. If it's just out for the day, you can always pack some fresh veggies, you can pack a bar, you can pack all kinds of little goodies that are healthy. Something that I really love are apple chips. All it is dehydrated apples. I get them at the Costco and I love them. They're easy, they're crunchy, and they taste so good. This will help huge when you're starting to get hungry or hangry, and the first thing you'll want to do is to go by a local drive-through or that kind of thing. And at least if you have something in your purse, you can tide yourself over or your kids over until you get home. Number 8 is to use multitasking to your advantage. We are natural multitaskers. So while you're in the shower or cooking, you could be listening to an audiobook, you could be listening to motivational videos, anything to give you more knowledge about yourself or give you that motivation to carry you throughout the day, whether you need some motivation to work out or get your tasks done or feel a little happier. You could also choose something that's really active and spend time with your family and your loved ones so that you are actually multitasking by doing 2 things at the same time. Also, I mentioned a little bit earlier, is to delegate some tasks to your family. You will be amazed at what your little ones can actually do. Number 9 is schedule a meeting with yourself. This is one of my favorite things to do. I have neglected myself for so very long. And once I started implementing this made a game changer to my life. Not only in my happiness, but my mental health and my physical health. And all around I was happier and my family was happier and I just felt more like myself and even better. So all you do is look at that calendar and start chipping away little pockets of time that you can concentrate on yourself. Maybe it's to go read a book at a coffee shop. Maybe it is to go do a workout. Maybe it is 10 minutes apiece and you have a little corner in your closet that you can go and hang out. I do. These make a huge difference in your life, I promise. You deserve it. Do not feel the mom guilt. This is actually doing something for yourself, but also for your family. Number 10 is write 3 things on a gratitude list. I do this in the morning. I do more than 3, but to start, just do 3. It is scientifically proven that grateful people sleep better. It improves their physical health and their psychological health and your self-esteem. So something really simple in the morning. It could be little, it could be big, you choose. But you can be grateful for so many little things. And maybe at first it would be hard, especially if you're in a funk. But when you start choosing little tiny things, they just make you feel so good. And an extra tip, when you are going to sleep at night, also review those 3 things that you've written in the morning and really feel how grateful you are for them, and your sleep will be better. That's my tip. I love it. It makes me feel happy in the morning. It makes me feel happy at night, and it's just a snowball effect. Number 11 is lay your clothes out the night before and your water bottle. This could be your work clothes, your day clothes, your exercise clothes, which I definitely say do that, or put it in a gym bag if you are going to the gym. And then get your water and fill it at night. You can fill your day's worth at nighttime, and you can always put one beside your bed. So when you wake up in the morning, you literally have that beside your bed and you drink your water. I find with women and moms, pretty much everybody is once you start on that coffee route, you forget all about your water. But this is a great way to get your water in, and then it doesn't feel like when you're tired in the morning, you have to go and fill up all the water bottles. Do that at night, and that is my extra hack for that. What is your best life hack as a busy mom? I'd love to know in the comments below, because I'd love to implement them, and I'm sure other mommies would as well. So comment below, please share the heck out of this to help other mommies as well, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Number 10. You have not crock potted.